How to conduct a comprehensive site survey for security. Conducting a comprehensive site survey for security involves a systematic examination of a facility to identify potential vulnerabilities and risks. Here's a step-by-step guide. Number 1. Define objectives and scope. Clearly outline the goals of the site survey. Define the scope of the survey, including specific areas, assets, and potential threats to be assessed. Number 2. Gather relevant information. Collect existing floor plans, security policies, and any historical data on security incidents. Obtain information about current security measures and systems in place. Number 3. Schedule the survey. Plan the survey at a time that minimizes disruption to normal operations. Coordinate with key personnel to ensure access to all areas during the survey. Number 4. Assemble a survey team. Form a team with individuals experienced in security, including personnel familiar with the facility. Assign specific roles and responsibilities to team members. Number 5. Physical inspection. Walk through the entire facility, examining entrances, exits, perimeters, and interior spaces. Identify potential vulnerabilities, such as blind spots, poorly lit areas, and weak access points. Number 6. Evaluate access control. Assess the effectiveness of access control systems. Verify that access points are properly secured and authentication measures are in place. Number 7. Review surveillance systems. Check the placement and functionality of CCTV cameras. Ensure coverage of critical areas and address any blind spots. Number 8. Assess perimeter security. Examine fencing, gates, and other barriers. Evaluate their condition and effectiveness in deterring unauthorized access. Number 9. Check lighting and visibility. Verify that lighting is adequate, especially in parking lots, entryways, and other vulnerable areas. Address any issues that may compromise visibility. Number 10. Evaluate emergency response preparedness. Review emergency response plans and evacuation procedures. Identify emergency exits and ensure they are clearly marked. Number 11. Interview key personnel. Talk to security personnel, employees, and management. Gather insights into their perception of security risks and any concerns they may have. Number 12. Assess communication systems. Evaluate the efficiency of communication systems used for security purposes. Ensure that personnel can quickly and effectively communicate during emergencies. Number 13. Document findings. Record all observations, vulnerabilities, and recommendations. Create a comprehensive report that highlights areas needing improvement. Number 14. Prioritize recommendations. Prioritize the identified vulnerabilities based on their potential impact on security. Provide actionable recommendations for improvement. Number 15. Present findings to stakeholders. Share the results with relevant stakeholders. Discuss proposed improvements and gather feedback. Number 16. Develop an action plan. Collaborate with stakeholders to create a detailed action plan. Establish timelines and responsibilities for implementing recommended security measures. Number 17. Implement security measures. Execute the action plan and make necessary improvements. Ensure that security personnel are trained on new procedures and systems. Number 18. Conduct regular follow-ups. Schedule regular follow-up site surveys to reassess security measures. Adapt the security plan based on changes in the facility or security landscape. Number 19. Continuous improvement. Foster a culture of continuous improvement. Stay informed about emerging security threats and update measures accordingly. By following these steps, you can conduct a thorough site survey that enhances the overall security posture of the facility. Thanks for joining me on this journey as we explored the intricacies of conducting a comprehensive site survey for security. Remember, security is a dynamic process, and a well-executed site survey is the foundation for creating a resilient and effective security plan. If you found this vlog helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and until next